Part 3, Weathering the Storm in Ersama. Now Prashant and all of 19 years, as I told you, he decided to step out as a great leader, and then he went to the merchant. They pressurized the merchant to give some rice, and afterwards the next task was to clean up the shelter where they were staying. On the fifth day, a military helicopter flew over the shelter and dropped some food parcels. It then did not return. The youth task force gathered empty utensils from the shelter. Then they deputed the children to lie in the sand left by the waters around the shelter with these utensils on their stomachs to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. And when they saw that the helicopter had dropped some food parcels and it did not return, then they deputed. Deputed means then they gave this work to the children to lie on the sand and to keep some utensils on their stomach to communicate, to give the message to the helicopter that they were hungry. The message got through, and after that the helicopter made regular rounds of the shelter, dropping food and other basic needs. Prashant found that a large number of children had been orphaned. Orphaned means वो अनाथ हो गए थे, their parents had died. He brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter for them. Women were mobilized to look after them. Mobilized means they were also made to work and to help such children who had become orphans, while the men secured food and materials for the shelter. While the men in that shelter and they secured food and material for their shelter. Secured means got. As the weeks passed, Prashant was quick to recognize that the women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. And naturally, as the days passed, the weeks passed, he was able to recognize. He at once realized that these women and these children, they were getting deeper and deeper grief. वो और sorrowful होते जा रहे हैं. He persuaded the women to start working in the Food for Work program started by an NGO. And then he convinced these women to start working in the Food for Work program, which was started by an NGO. NGO is non-government organization, and for the children he organized sports events. He himself loved to play cricket, and so he organized cricket matches for children. Prashant engaged with other volunteers. As I told you, volunteers are the people who do not work for money. By their own will, they come out to help other people. He engaged some other people in helping the widows and children to pick up the broken pieces of their lives. And then they mobilized. They also made these women, widows and the children so that they can come out of their grief. वो अपनी एक नई लाइफ को स्टार्ट कर सकें from the broken pieces of their life. The initial government plan, initial means the starting government plan, was to set up institutions for orphans and widows only. However, this step was successfully resisted. पर ये जो step था वो successfully opposed किया गया, as it was felt that in such institutions children would grow up without love and widows would suffer from stigma and loneliness. So when the government started work for them, they opposed it. They felt कि इन लोगों को जो है वो सफ़र करेंगे, ये स्टिग्मा से सफ़र करेंगे. स्टिग्मा मीन्स they will have a blot के और loneliness सफ़र करेंगे ऐसे कैंप्स में जाकर, अलग से जाकर. Prashant's group believed orphans should be resettled in their own community itself. और प्रशांत और उसके ग्रुप ने सोचा कि ये जो ऑर्फन बच्चे हैं इनको अपने ही कम्युनिटी में रीसेटल करना चाहिए. Possibly in new foster families made up of childless widows and children without adult care. And they thought in new foster means taking care families. उन्होंने देखा जो families जिनके widows जो childless widows थे या जिनके they were children without adult care, so they resettled themselves. कहीं बच्चे नहीं थे तो उनको वो दिया, कहीं widows नहीं थी तो ऐसे they exchanged themselves. It is 6 months after the devastation of the super cyclone. This time Prashant's wounded spirit has healed simply because he had no time to bother about his own pain. And this time Prashant's wounded spirit, it healed. उसकी जो spirit थी, जो उसकी आत्मा थी, वो थोड़ी cure हो गई because he had no time to bother about his pain. His handsome youthful face is what the widows and orphaned children of his village seek out most in their darkest hour of grief. And it was his beautiful face, youthful face, what the widows and the orphaned children, they wanted to seek, they wanted to see when in their most darkest hour of grief, in their greatest grief of their life. So this is all the story of Prashant and how he came forward. He emerged as a great leader, and how he resettled the orphan, the widows, and how he helped the people come out from their grief. And this is a great lesson for us. Wherever the youth, the young people are there, wherever the youth segment of the society is there, they should come forward and they should help the people in need. Thank you.